ice baths, NAD IV drips, red light therapy. Today, we're diving into 2025's most exciting alternative health trends to help you recover faster, manage pain, and feel your best. But are these trends really worth it or just hyped up fads? If your New Year's resolution is to level up your health, this video is just what the doctor ordered. Hey everyone, Dr. Jordan Wagner here, board-certified emergency medicine physician and co-founder of Life Happens. From cutting-edge tech to ancient remedies reimagined, these alternative therapies are shaping the future of wellness. And I'll walk you through the benefits, the science, and the price tags. That way you can decide what works for you. Number 1, cold plunge therapy. Cold plunge therapy, or cryotherapy, involves exposing your body to freezing temperatures in a cryo chamber or an ice bath. The cold triggers your body's anti-inflammatory response by constricting blood vessels and increasing circulation once you warm up. But that's not all. It also activates cold shock proteins like RBM3, which are special proteins that help protect and repair cells, reduce inflammation, and even play a role in promoting brain health by supporting the growth and survival of neurons. They are produced by the body in response to cold. So all cold plunges aren't just refreshing. They're like a reset button for your body's systems. They also may alleviate chronic pain conditions like arthritis, and they boost mood by releasing endorphins. Cryotherapy offers exciting benefits, but it's not without potential downsides. One of the most significant barriers is its cost. Sessions typically range from $40 to $100, and some home cryo chambers can cost anywhere from $1,000 to say $50,000. Making it a pricey commitment for regular use. Additionally, individuals with heart conditions such as hypertension or arrhythmias should exercise caution, as the extreme cold can constrict blood vessels and temporarily raise blood pressure, potentially increasing the risk of a cardiac event. If you want an even more in-depth video on cold plunging specifically, please check out the link in the description below, where I did 30 straight days of cold plunging and I go further into the benefits associated with it. IV therapy, including NAD. IV therapy is really popular right now and, dare I say, revolutionizing how we replenish nutrients by delivering vitamins, minerals, and hydration directly into the bloodstream for fast and effective absorption. IV therapy offers a range of options tailored to specific needs. Options like vitamin C drips are popular for their immune-boosting properties, while glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, helps combat oxidative stress and brightens your skin. Other blends like Myers Cocktail combine magnesium, calcium, and B vitamins to improve energy and reduce fatigue. One standout treatment right now is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide therapy, also known as NAD+. NAD+ is a molecule essential for cellular energy production, and boosting its levels can support everything from metabolism to brain health. NAD+ therapy works by enhancing mitochondrial function, the powerhouse of your cells, helping to combat fatigue, improve mental clarity, and even slow some signs of aging. It's also been studied for its potential to aid in recovery from neurodegenerative conditions. Traditional IV therapy options can rehydrate the body, replenish the electrolytes, and speed up recovery after illness, intense exercise, or even a rough night out. The perks don't come cheap though. Standard IV therapy sessions typically cost between $100 and $500, while specialized NAD+ infusions can set you back $400 to $1,000 per session. Don't worry, there are more budget-friendly ways like supplements to support energy, focus, and recovery. For instance, Level Up by my company Life Happens is packed with ingredients like lion's mane mushroom extract and citicoline, which support cognitive function and energy production, giving you the mental edge without the hefty price tag. You can check it out at lifehappens.com or on Amazon. Now remember, while IV therapy is generally safe when done at a reputable clinic, there's limited long-term research on the efficacy of NAD+ for anti-aging and cognitive enhancement. And just because it's delivered via IV doesn't necessarily mean it works better than supplements or other traditional methods. Take it from me, a doctor who uses IVs every day in the hospital. As always, consult your healthcare provider before trying any new therapy to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Red light therapy. Red light therapy is quickly becoming a favorite in the wellness world for its ability to rejuvenate and repair the body at a cellular level. This treatment uses low wavelengths of red or near infrared light to penetrate the skin, boosting cellular energy production and promoting tissue repair. The light stimulates mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells, which helps reduce oxidative stress and supports faster recovery. This cellular activation is why red light therapy is linked to benefits like improved skin health, reduced inflammation, and enhanced muscle recovery. It's not just about looking better. Red light therapy can also improve mood and energy, making it a full-body rejuvenation tool. Research supports red light therapy's ability to improve skin elasticity, reduce joint pain, and heal wounds faster. It's also promising as a natural way to manage mood disorders like seasonal affective disorder. However, these benefits come at a price. Home devices start around $200, where professional sessions can range from $50 to $150 each. While the investment might seem steep, it's a compelling option for someone looking to recover faster, feel better, and even give their skin a youthful glow. I can link to some of my favorite red light panels down below. I even have them in my own house. There you have it, some of the most exciting alternative health trends for 2025. From ice baths to NAD plus infusions, these alternative therapies can help you recover faster, possibly manage pain better, and elevate your overall wellness. Have you ever tried any of these? Let me know in the comments what your experience was like. And just remember, with all of these, to consult your healthcare provider before diving in to make sure these options align with your health goals. If you enjoyed this video, please check out this playlist right here. It's got more good health tips, and please don't forget to subscribe and share with someone who's looking to start their new year on a healthier note. Thank you so much for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.